Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. First of all, let me thank you all for being here today. We are glad that so many of you could come, especially since I know that this time of the year is probably the basis for you. For those of you who don't know us, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Alwan Abdul Hakim.
My name is Devaren Agis. We are from University Bina Sarana Informatika semester 2 student, and today we would like to present a topic that is very important today, digital world.
The purpose of our video is to provide you with information about hardware and software operating system, which gonna be our main topic of presentation. Hello everyone, today I will explain about hardware. Hardware is the physical part of a computer that we can touch and see. What is hardware? Hardware includes all the physical devices of a computer. It helps us to input data, store data, process data, and get the output. Categories of hardware. There are 4 categories of hardware: input device, output device, storage device, and processing device. Input device. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. Example are keyboard, mouse, and speaker.
Output device. Output device show the result from the computer. Example are monitor, printer, and speaker. Stroke device. Stroke device are used to save data and program. Example include hard disk, SSD, and flash drive. Processing device. Processing device process the instruction. The main one is the CPU, which is the brain of the computer. There is also the GPU used for graphics. Importance of hardware. Hardware is very important. Without hardware, the software cannot work. Hardware and software must work together. Real life example. When we type a document, we use the keyboard to input, the CPU to process, the monitor to show, and the hard drive to save.
Conclusion. In conclusion, hardware is everything we can touch on a computer. It is an important part of the computer system. Okay, let's go into the second topic. Software and operating system. What is software? System software help control the computer. The most important is the operating system. Example are Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Application software. Application software help us do specific tasks. Example are Microsoft Word, Chrome, and Photoshop.
What is an operating system? The operating system control all the computer resources is the help the user community with the hardware. Function of an OS. The OS has many functions in manager hardware and software, run programs, store file, and give us an interface to use the computer. Popular operating system. Some popular operating system are Windows for PC, Mac OS for Apple computer, Linux for server, and Android for smartphone. User interface. The UX provides a user interface. Most computer use a graphical interface like clicky icon and Windows. Software and OS together. Software need the OS to work. Without the OS, we cannot open or run any application.
Conclusion. To conclude, software and the operating system are very important. They make the computer usable and help control all the hardware. Thank you all for your attention. To wrap up, the hardware industry is growing and changing faster than ever, driven by innovation, smarter technology, and increasing global demand. This change open up new opportunities, but also new challenges for all of us. I hope this presentation has given you a clearer picture of where the hardware world is heading. If you have any question or thought, I will happy to hear them. Let's continue the conversation because the future of hardware is something we all shape together. Thank you. So that's all from us about hardware. Basically, it's all physical stuff that makes a computer run, like the processor, memory, storage, even keyboard and mouse, and etc. Without hardware, software wouldn't mean much, right? I hope this presentation helped you to get a clearer picture about what hardware is and why it matters. Thanks a lot for listening. And if you are serious or have questions about hardware and software operating system, please ask to us. I will do my best to answer your question. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.